welcome to episode 5 of the 5-Star Grow Along.
Last week we showed you how much our plants continue to grow.
And we did our measuring, mixing, and watering with the 5-Star Grow Kit. Ready to check out the garden rotten?
To the Growmobile.
Buckle up!
Lift off!
How's it looking, Rotten?
Looks like our plants have been doing some growing.
Especially the tomato plant. I'm so proud. All right. Ready to measure up? Let's see how much our plants have grown and compare them to last time.
Whoa, 28 inches tall.
Last time our tomato plant was 22 inches tall. My goodness! That means it grew a whole 6 inches.
Yeah, leave it to the tomato to be the overachiever. Now, if we were growing lettuce, we could really be impressed.
Anyway, let's talk about the other plants. Our zucchini plant is 1.5 inches taller, and it's wider. And the pepper plant is 1 inch taller.
How tall are your plants at home? Tell us in the comment section.
Hey, it's that time again. Time to grab our grow kit. And remember, we're in the grow phase this week.
Special offer alert. Get $5 pints on SNS 209 or SNS 203. Use coupon code $5pints. Details and restrictions are included in the description below. Now back to the video.
Hey, helping hands. Could we get a hand over here? Thanks, helping hands.
All right, looks like that's it.
We'll be back next week to see how much they've grown and check for any pests or disease and to mix and water in the 5-star recipe.
And you can do the same at home.
Get your very own grow kit and tune in next time. You can find a link in the description below.
If you haven't already, get your grow kit and join the Grow Along.
And remember to check in on your plants throughout the week. Depending on the weather, you may need to water them more often.
And for best results, water in the 5-star recipe 3 times per week.
So until next time, like this video, hit subscribe, and watch more videos. And to learn more, visit SierraNaturalScience.com.
See you later.
Bye for now.